Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to check MBR or GPT in Windows 10 using a simple command line method to identify your disk partition style. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the main Windows menu where you can search for tools and system apps quickly. Step 2. Type CMD in the search box. This helps you find the command prompt, which is a built-in Windows tool used to run system-level commands. Step 3. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results. Right-clicking gives you access to additional options that are needed for advanced tasks. Step 4. Click on Run as Administrator. This is important because disk-related commands require administrator permission to work properly. Step 5. Type DiskPart and press Enter. DiskPart is a Windows utility that allows you to manage and view information about your hard drives. Step 6. Type List Disk and press Enter. This command displays all connected disks along with details about their partition style. Step 7. Check the disk list carefully. If you see an asterisk under the GPT column, the disk uses GPT, and if there is no asterisk, the disk is using MBR. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.